Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first of all, from this point onwards, till this end of this week, whatever casting we are going to unbox, these are like only one in the box. So yeah, let's start. So this is the 17 Ford GT, and again only one in the box, bought for 179, which is MRP. So again, I didn't buy it online, I bought it from a local store. So go support your local stores and they will help you out for sure. Okay, here it is. Okay, so out of the box, this casting looks so amazing, and it is like a kind of pearl white. It does have some scratches on the paint job, but it is okay. You can't even notice that easily. So it has wiper details, interior details, and the hood looks really awesome. And it does have headlight details which is painted on, but it is really nice. Even the grill details here, which is really embossed. This is not painted, as you can see. And so there are some parts which are plastic, like this part here, inside this air intake you can see. You can see the engine details here, and it does says Hotwheels here. So there are no tail light details, but it does look really nice. The chassis has this kind of carbon fiber texture to it, which is really nice. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it doesn't roll really well. Honestly, it doesn't roll at all if you ask me. See, the wheel wobbles a lot, both wheels wobble a lot. More specifically, the rear wheel, it wobbles a lot. But overall, the casting looks really amazing. It is beautiful. So it does have some scratches on the windshield, as usual, because at this point I'm getting used to it. Even for 180, which we are paying, and they are not doing a decent job for these kind of things. Because see, if you are giving a good interior, and this is see-through. See, you can see the engine details, but if it has a lot of scratches on the top, how you are going to enjoy that? That's what I'm trying to say. Or else black it out, or at least keep a metal piece there instead of giving a transparent one, so that we will be at least thinking, okay, it is something good underneath, and it is fine and all. So overall, it's a beautiful casting. If you get your hands on this one, please buy it, don't leave it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.